Probation, the one I already went through, the one I already went through, 20-8, and then there's an additional probation, and then there's an additional probation, and 35476. 35476. Mr. Joseph is on probation in that case. Mr. Joseph is on probation in that case for possession of a controlled substance. That was a 10-year term that was probated for 10 years, and also has those same allegations. And also has those same allegations. And so what I'll do, just for purposes of this hearing, just for purposes of this hearing, either of the cases. No bonds on either of the cases. I'll let you kind of file the representation and that the representation and that request for a bond. So let's go ahead and hear it all. And so, Mr. Lewis, do you have Mr. Lewis, do you have witness bond? Mr. Joseph, best you can raise your right hand. Mr. Joseph, best you can raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Mr. Joseph, you state your full name for the record. Mr. Joseph, you state your full name for the record. Okay, Mr. Joseph, you understand you do understand we address your bond issues in regards to this case. Now, as far as your working situation, do you currently have a job?
Actually going back and forth to the 4 hours and a half night, but before all this application.
Speak up, please.
I said I'm working back and forth at the port. I'm working back and forth for all this happened. But before all this application for AMCO, just filled out the application for AMCO. Back with me on hydro blasting. Back with me on hydro blasting. Started dead. Supposed to turn myself in. To take care of all this.
And as far as additional responsibilities, especially in regards to your family, what kind of responsibilities?
Kids. I take care of my uncle that just recently out of the system, out of the attic or whatever. He probably help him. I'll be having to help him, take him in and out the daycare. Have to take him to the original because he can't walk. Take him to the original because he can't walk. He don't like that. Have a walker.
So you basically use the primary caregiver when you're not working.
Yes, sir.
Now, as far as do you have any expenses? Do you have any or property or saved to put up? Any money saved to put up that you could put forward? Okay. Yes. Approximately how much of a bond would you be able to make?
Probably like 10,000, probably like 10,000 a piece, probably no more than 10,000 a piece.
And as far as any conditions, a lot of these allegations deal with. Do you have any concerns? Do you have any objections to wearing the drug patches?
Make them all to drug patches. Make them all to whatever you need me to do.
Listen, I pass the witness, Judge.
I have no questions for. I have no questions
for this witness.
No, Judge.
I didn't the witness, Mr. Nichols.
I have Ms. Cole here, Your Honor. I'd like to ask.
Good morning, ma'am. Would you please raise your right hand? Good morning, ma'am. Would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm to the truth you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Ms. Cole, are you the officer that's been supervising? And how long have you done that for? And how long have you done that?
Got out of safety placement, started outpatient, and that was outpatient. So what?
When was he ordered to go to safety? When was he ordered to go to safety?
He was ordered to go to safety January 9th, 2025.
And so after he completed that, was he successful? Was he successful
in the unit placement? He was successful in the residential aftercare, but not safety.
When did he complete that? When did he residential aftercare? Residential aftercare
was completed. The residential aftercare was completed October 24th, 2020. October 24th.
And then after that, he transitions to outpatient aftercare. That outpatient aftercare. When did he transition? When did he transition?
November 18th, 2025.
And is that when the violations began? And is that when the nature of those violations?
And what were the nature of those violations? He has not submitted for 1 year out of safety. He's came to the office. Has failed to submit every single time. Every single time.
Can you tell us what happens when he fails to submit? What happens when he fails to submit? He's in the office. He's told he needs
The last time that he felt sick, the last time that he felt sick, had emergency surgery, and had emergency surgery, and I said, walk out that door. And I said, if you walk out that door, this is a failure to submit, and we went back and forth for about 5 minutes, back and forth for about 5 minutes out, and eventually he got it, walked out and left.
Took longer arguing about it than it would have. Took longer arguing about it than it would have just.
Absolutely.
What happened on? What happened on January 14th of 2000? January 14th of 2000.
He actually had an, I was out sick. He actually had an, I was out sick. My supervisor. He had an admin hearing. He had an admin hearing. During that, and after during that, safety officer Robert Menard, and as he was testing him, and as he was observed him, Mr. Menard observed him urine in the water after urine for a UA. And it was cold, and it was clear. It was cold, and it was clear, and there was no way it was.
Don't talk unless somebody's asking. Don't talk unless somebody's asking. Don't.
Are you familiar with the circumstances? Are you familiar with the circumstances of his?
He was supposed to report to my office. He was supposed to report to my office, but he failed to report. All I saw is that he got arrested. All I saw is that he got arrested. I was getting the phone call saying that he was phone calls saying that he was at the hospital with his child. Houston at the hospital with his child, and the mother of the child that he was under the influence, stating that he was under. I got two different calls, and another officer got a call as well. And another officer got a call as well. No, sir.
Was he arrested in
Jefferson County? No, sir.
Do you recall that he was causing an outburst? Do you recall that he was causing an outburst or some sort of disturbance?
Yes, sir.
In Houston. I'll pass witness.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Any
I'll pass
questions of
witness.
this witness? Any questions of this witness?
Just briefly. Just briefly. To the safety aftercare. To the safety aftercare. What does that entail? What does that entail? Which one was Mr. Joseph? Which one was
He was
Mr.
assigned
Joseph?
to, but there's three phases assigned to, but there's three phases of placement, which is in the unit placement, which is in the residential aftercare, which is residential aftercare, which is outpatient aftercare. It's a 9-month program. It's a 9-month program where he has to attend two individual counseling sessions. Submit to random UA. Submit to random UA meetings. Attend NAA and obtain a sponsor within 90. And obtain a sponsor within 90.
So basically, the urinalysis is all part of that third section, or what you talked about. Third section,
yes, sir. All of that is part of that. And that's the main component, and that's the main component of it. In the safety program, that means he has a safety program, that means he has a, and if you're not willing to submit, if you're not willing to submit probation, that is a presumptive positive.
I have nothing else.
No other witnesses, Your Honor.
Okay.
No other witnesses, Your Honor.
So, okay, Mr. Nichols, what's the state's position? Mr.
Judge,
Nichols,
he's
what's the
got
state's
3 prior felony convictions. He's on straight probation on these 2 cases. Straight probation on these 2 cases. Placed on probation. At the time he was placed on probation, case, in possession of a firearm case, and a possession of case were also dismissed. Case were also dismissed. He was put on high medium caseload. Follow through on what he's been ordered to do with safety. Been ordered to do with safety. He was ordered a little over a year ago. He was ordered a little over a year ago and to do the safety program, and has chosen not to afterwards. It needs to try to falsify afterwards. It needs to try to falsify the testing. Judge, he's not testing. While he may be entitled to ABON, while he may be entitled to ABON, I would ask that to keep his sufficiently high to keep his.
They're both adjudicated.
Then I'm asking for no bond. Then I'm asking for